You be the stepmother, I be the princess. Princess.
Sissy, they time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess.
Hurry up, Sissy. They time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess. We play just like recess.
I do shoot. I want to dispute.
We time it and she didn't rhyme it.
She's still breathing. She might not be leaving. Please let me try and save my sister. I'd miss her.
Go, but tell anyone about this and I'll know. She's going to be okay. You can visit her where she's staying.
Sissy, I missed you, little missy.
One of our partners nearly killed your sister. Tell us what happened with the mister.
He timed it and she rhymed it. He shot her by mistake. His mind must have been on break.
Why you lie about the guy?
Happy birthday, daughter of mine. I bought you a gift that is so divine.
Thank you.
You need to rhyme it. Be careful because they time it.
Thank you for this gift. It was really on my list.
Yo, bro, can I have a bite of that orange? Orange. You need to rhyme it. Be careful because they time it. I don't know what rhymes with orange. What rhymes with orange?
Come on, you need to rhyme it. They time it.
Nothing rhymes with orange.
Sissy, you're home. Come play with me. I was all alone.
Of course I'll play. How could I stay away?
Perfect. You be the stepmother and I'll be the princess. Princess.
Sissy, they time it. Rhyme it.
You be the stepmother, I be the princess.
Hurry up. They time it. Rhyme it.
Why you lie about the guy?
Is it true you lied? She should have died?
I didn't lie about the guy. She's not thinking clearly.
Sissy, rhyme it. They time it.
She's out of her mind. Seriously.
Okay, I'll believe you, but I got my eye on you like glue. I can't believe my best friend's gone. Bring him back. Come on.
They timed it and he couldn't rhyme it. It's the world we live in. We can never win.
I don't want to be here anymore.
Please, rhyme it. They time it. You have so much to live for. I don't want to see you on the floor.
Anymore. I don't know. You look down. What's with the frown?
I just saw someone get killed.
Your head is a mess, but you can't stress. They time it. You need to rhyme it.
I just saw someone get killed.
Your head is a mess, but you can't stress. They time it. You need to rhyme it.
I just saw someone get killed. I wasn't very thrilled.
Please, keep your mind at ease. What'd you get on the exam? Exam.
Rhyme it. They time it. Hurry, you need to worry.
Stop yelling at me. I can't think of what rhymes with exam. Good morning, honey. Today's nice and sunny. You're not speaking? What are you seeking? Are you scared your rhyming is impaired? You must speak. No one is allowed to sneak. You rhyme it, I'll time it.
Why are you doing this to me?
Tick-tock, the time is on the clock.
Why are you doing this to me?
You rhyme it, I'll time it. Tick-tock, the time is on the clock.
Why are you doing this to me? Just let me be.
You're safe. You're lucky. Lucky.
It's your time to rhyme.
You're safe. You're lucky. Come on, Brad, you wouldn't shoot me. We're partners. I'm sorry, Bob. I'm just doing my job.
How are you feeling?
Rhyme it, they time it.
Feeling?
You rhyme better than anyone I know. Just go with the flow.
I'm scared. You're out of time. You couldn't rhyme. What's going on? My partner's gone. What's going on? My partner's gone.
No one can know. I can't let you go.
Look at who you killed. They're all on the floor, spilled.
If you want bliss, don't mention this.
It's so cold out today. How are you okay?
These 3D fleece joggers from Halara keep me warm even during a storm. They're fleece lined and perfectly designed. My best friend's staying over tonight. I hope that's all right.
We saw what you did, you dumb kid. You must say 4 rhymes in the given times.
You time and I rhyme. 20 seconds to use my words as weapons. I need to be strong when this world is so wrong. I just want to rest, but I'm constantly put to the test.
Good, you rhymed as you should. Now it's your best friend's time to rhyme. 5 rhymes in the given times. Good day at school.
Hey, hey, hey. Come find me. Come find me.
Hello? Who is this? Mommy, I'm hearing voices.
Your soulmate's voice will be heard when your soulmate's nearby. If you follow the voice, it will lead you to your soulmate. The louder the voice, the closer you are.
Maybe my soulmate's in the school. I'm gonna find him. Hello, soulmate, you there? I don't hear him anymore. Bye, Mom. I'm off to school now.
Have a good day. Hey, hey, hey.
Soulmate? Are you close?
Follow my voice and I'll guide you to where I am.
I don't know. I have to get to school.
Do you want to find me or not?
Okay.
Follow my voice. Keep going.
Are we almost there? I don't know where I am.
Stop. We're here.
We're at a gate,
Open it. I'm in there.
but the gate goes into a graveyard.
Mr. Strawberry, I love...
Stop. Don't say I love you. Honey, it's time you know. When you say I love you to someone who doesn't love you back, you'll lose all your memory. That's why I only say I love you to Daddy and my children because they're the ones I know that love me back.
Good morning, Mom.
Who are you? Where am I? What am I doing here? What is this place?
Mom, do you remember anything?
I'm your mom?
You lost your memory. Dad, something's going on with Mom. She doesn't remember anything. Did she say I love you to anyone?
To me. Last night. I'm sorry, but I lost feelings for your mother.
So it's your fault. You don't love Mom anymore and she lost her memory?
It's not what I intended to happen. Truthfully, I met another woman. But don't worry, I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad?
I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad? Dad, you lost your memory? That means I don't love...
Open up. We're the memory police.
The memory police are here?
Who's that?
Mom, please, you have to remember something. The memory police are here.
I'm your mom.
Yes, that's all you have to say.
Open up.
The door's open. Come in.
Are all memories intact here?
Of course. Who are you?
I'm your mom.
See?
What is this place? I don't know where I am. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
Goodbye, Dad. Mom, I have to go to school now. Just stay safe and don't do anything until I come home. I love... No, I can't say it. Of course you wouldn't love me. I'm a stranger to you.
I love you.
How do you know that word?
Babe, there you are. I think it's time we say the L word.
No, I don't want to say it. I've already lost someone because of that word.
Don't worry. You don't have to say it. I'll say it.
No, don't say it. I don't.
love you. Who are you? Where am I? I'm scared. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
It's Mom. Mom? She has no memory left. How would she know how to use a phone?
Did you just say your mom has no memory? How is she not taken away yet?
No, she has her memory. I was just joking. Mom, I came running back from school. Is everything okay? Are you okay?
I'm your mom?
I think you called by mistake.
Memory, please. Open up.
Come in.
We're taking your mother.
No, you can't. She's all I have. Take me with her.
Your memories are intact.
I love you.
Mommy, I have hearts all over my face.
Oh, you got your hearts, but you only have 3. Those hearts represent the amount of times you're allowed to be heartbroken. Every time someone breaks your heart, you lose one of your hearts.
So what happens if I have no hearts left?
You die.
Hey, besties.
Pizza face. Jake, stop it. You can't sit with us. Everyone's looking at you because of all your pimples on your face. It's embarrassing.
It's just a little breakout. I've been really stressed recently.
You can't sit with us.
Is my acne really that bad? A heart's missing. That means they broke my heart. Hey, babe.
Bro, what's all over your face? Yeah, babe, what happened?
It's just pimples. It will go away.
That's your girl, bro? She's not my girl.
I'm not. I only have one heart left. I can't get heartbroken again. I know what to do. I only have one heart left. I can't get heartbroken again. I know what to do.
Whoa, Brianna looks hot.
Hey girl, come sit with us.
Yesterday, when you said I couldn't sit with you guys, you made me lose a heart. I can't trust you guys won't break my heart again. You never even deserved it in the first place.
Babe, you look so good today.
I'm not your babe. Yesterday, you didn't want to be with me because I had pimples. You made me lose a heart. I only have one left because of you. I can't trust you won't break my heart again.
I'm sorry.
Class, we have a new student today. Everyone meet John. You can sit wherever you like, John.
Hey, can I sit here?
Sure, do whatever you want.
Lucky me. I get to sit next to the prettiest girl in the class.
Look, I'm not interested. I can't risk getting involved with another person again.
Hey, wait. Why did you say you can't risk getting involved with another person?
I only have one heart left. If I get heartbroken again, I'll die.
I only have one heart left too. How about we take the risk together?
I only have one heart left. If I get heartbroken again, I'll die.
I only have one heart left too. How about we take the risk together?
Okay, let's try it then. But just know, if you break my heart, you'll be considered a murderer. Good morning, babe.
Hey, can I ask what happened to your other hearts? How'd they get broken?
My best friends and boyfriend broke my heart because they didn't like the way I looked. You may not notice, but I have really bad acne under all this makeup.
That's so superficial. I would never do that to you.
Wow, you're so strong and muscular.
Thanks.
I want to kiss you.
Brittany, Why would you?
John?
It's not what it looks like. Brianna, she came on to me.
I saw you. You kissed her.
You don't have any hearts left. Brianna!
Good, you're awake.
How am I alive? Where's John?
Who do you think gave you the heart? He gave you his last one.
The leader for today.
Everyone, they're choosing the leader for today. I hope it's me.
It's me. That means you all have to follow what I do or you die.
Timmy, you'll be a good leader, right? You won't make anyone do anything terrible?
Begin your exam.
Oh, I don't want to write my exam. Everyone, take your exam paper, crumple it up, and throw it in the garbage.
No, I need straight A's. I have to write this exam.
Eugene, you have to follow whatever the leader does or you'll die.
No, I have to get into Harvard. I have to write.
Everyone stop. We're doing 100 jumping jacks.
Timmy, why?
1, 2.
100. Timmy, that was a lot of jumping jacks. Maybe we should all drink water.
No, there's no time for that. We're going to rob a bank. They're changing the leader.
100. Timmy, that was a lot of jumping jacks. Maybe we should all drink water.
No, there's no time for that. We're going to rob a bank.
They're changing the leader.
The new leader.
No way. I'm the new leader.
Everyone, let's touch the top of the lockers.
Kayla, no. You know I'm too short to reach the top of the locker.
Exactly, Timmy.
You're the reason Eugene's dead. He was the love of my life. Now this is what you get. Kayla, no.
Everyone, we can all put our arms down now. Now, who am I going to get revenge on next?
I know you're hurt, but another person dying isn't going to take away your pain.
Looks like you're next, Brianna. Everyone, we're going to cut off a chunk of our hair.
What? No, I love my hair.
You must do as the leader does.
Everyone, we're going to cut off a chunk of our hair.
What? No, I love my hair.
You must do as the leader does.
Wait, I'm going to choose a piece from the back.
Hurry up.
Okay.
I really didn't think you'd actually do it, Brianna.
They're changing the leader.
The new leader.
No.
It's me.
So, leader, what are we doing now?
Right, I'm the leader. Okay, everyone, we're going to drink some Perrier water, and then we're going to have lunch. Everyone, for lunch, we are eating a peanut butter wrap.
Brianna, no. I'm deathly allergic to peanuts.
Kayla, you have to do as the leader does or they'll kill you.
But if I eat peanut butter, I'll die.
You have to try. Emily, hurry up. We're going to be late for school.
Wait,
I'm leaving.
I'm coming.
Red light. Uh-oh. Looks like little Sissy was running too fast and lost her balance. Anna, you look like you want to burst into tears, but you must wait till the light is green. Green light. Hey, Bree. What's wrong?
My sister didn't make it during red light and green light, and it's all my fault.
You can't blame yourself. Now let's hurry. We're already late for class. Red light. Wow, you all look like statues. Green light. No, I'm late for class. I have to learn. Red light. No, I'm losing my balance. Looks like learning was more important than living. Green light. Brianna, are you okay?
I gotta sneeze.
Red light. Brianna, are you okay?
I gotta sneeze.
Red light. You look like you really want to let out that sneeze. You can, but if you do, you'll be out. Green light.
Hey, Timmy, look. Paper airplane.
Whoa, throw it here.
Red light.
Ouch, you threw it right at my eye.
Aw, poor Timmy. Green light.
No, Brianna, what have you done? It's all your fault my twin brother Timmy is dead.
Hey, I'm sorry about what happened to your twin brother, Timmy. But you have to understand,
Light. Why so serious? Green light.
I never meant for anyone to get hurt. We were just playing.
This is for Timmy.
Red light.